Namaskar friends, I Pawan Rogra on behalf of Wechitra Enterprises welcome you all and hope you all are doing very well. Now friends, in our last video we have covered busbars and basic details regarding busbars I have given in that video, and if you haven't gone through that video, I'll drop the link here in the I button. You can check that video because this video is in continuation to that video. So in this video we are going to see how we calculate busbar sizes.
Friends, today we will discuss most important part related to busbars, which is busbar calculation, how we calculate busbar size. Okay, before going further in this calculation, friends, what do you think? On which factor this busbar calculation depends, and which two dimensions of busbar we take for calculations? This I have already discussed in my previous video, but don't worry, I'll answer both the questions here. Friends, busbar calculations depends on current value, that how much current is flowing in that busbar, or how much load this busbar have to take. And the dimensions of busbar we take are its width and thickness, not the length. Fine. So let us check what is the thumb rule for different kinds of busbar. With different kinds, I mean for aluminium and copper. What is the thumb rule? How we calculate busbar rating? Let's start for aluminium busbar. The thumb rule for aluminium busbar is, for every 1 square mm area of aluminium busbar, the current flow is 0.8 ampere. It means if our current is 0.8 ampere, then we will require 1 square mm of busbar. Okay, let us understand this with an example. Like if our current is 300 ampere, or we want to design a busbar for 300 ampere, aluminium busbar for that. And friends, now you know the thumb rule that for 0.8 ampere we require 1 square mm, or we can say for 1 ampere we will require 1 by 0.8 square mm of this busbar. So we can do easy calculations here. For 300 ampere we will require 300 by 0.8 square mm of area, which comes out 375 square mm. But busbars rating which are available in market are specific, like 20 by 3, 20 by 5, 20 by 10. So we will choose a combination of rating which is equal to or more than the calculated rating, right? So for the calculated 375 square mm, we have 40 into 10 square mm of busbar. Here 40 can be width and 10 is thickness. So friends, this was the calculation for aluminium busbars. And friends, here I want to make a note that this is not the perfect calculation of busbars. We take other factors like fault current, temperature, etc. But these are the thumb rules which are generally taken by control panel manufacturers for busbar calculations. Now friends, let us see calculations for copper busbars. Friends, copper has high current carrying capacity. Like for every 1 square mm, it can take 1.2 to 1.6 ampere. Notice that here I have taken a range 1.2 to 1.6. For high value of current like above 500, we take small factor 1.2, and for lower value of currents we take higher factor 1.6. So again friends, we will do the calculation with an example. Like same for 300 ampere, how much rating of busbar, of copper busbar we will require. We'll see this. Friends, for 300 ampere I have taken 1.4 because this is a middle value of current. So here for 1.4 ampere we will require 1 square mm of copper busbar. Or we can say for 1 ampere we will require 1 by 1.4 square mm of busbar. So for 300 we'll do 300 multiplied by area required for 1 ampere, that is 1 by 1.4. So by calculating this we will get 215 square mm of area for copper bus bar. But the ratings available in market will not be 215, so we will see the higher rating. So the next rating available will be 250. For 250, ratings of bus bar can be 50 into 5 and 25 into 10. And the option between these two can be chosen according to the space available in the control panel or according to the manufacturer. And friends, this is it with the bus bar calculations. I hope you learned something about bus bar calculation, how we calculate aluminium bus bar, how we calculate copper bus bar. Please give your reviews in the comment section below. So finally friends, it's time to say bye bye. Thank you for watching.